Zhongshan Zoso Electric Appliance Company Limited is a professional manufacturer over 10 years manufacturing experience in the production of household appliances specialized in the research, development, and production of household appliances. Main products are wine cooler. We are located in Huangpu, Zhongshan City of Guangdong Province, China. Corporate philosophy, our major concerns are the environment, safety, and creativity. We aim to be a harmonized creative company. In response to the global concerns of environmental protection and safety, we work with our customers to deliver the creative green refrigerated products to the end users. We aim to fulfill our responsibilities to society, including our company members and consumers' needs, by always thinking from the consumer's point of view. Josoc is one of our brands that implement such philosophy to design products with aesthetic shapes and strong functions. We have developed some unique and innovative products that nobody else has in industry in China. We succeed by employing a consistent design strategy, modern technologies, and world-class management concepts. Prospects of our mutual value-added cooperation. We can supply you other large-capacity models both for residential and commercial use, offering the all-round solution for you. Adopt products differentiation strategy. Our factory emphasizes on making unique and creative design product instead of mass quantity of production. And this is very good for expanding your products line by increasing more bigger capacity of models with better quality in future.